Hello student, welcome to SBIST tutorial. I am Shongita Purkait, Assistant Professor of SBIST College, and today's chapter is the difference between linear and Bernoulli's equation. Okay, আগের ক্লাসে আমি how to solve a linear equation সেটা নিয়ে ডিসকাস করেছি। তো আজকে আমি বলবো যে linear আর Bernoulli's equation এর ডিফারেন্সটা কি। There is a basic difference because the form of the linear equation dy dx plus py equal to q or dx dy plus px equal to q. ওকে, আমি আগের দিনই বলেছিলাম যদি dy থাকে অপারেটর, if the operator ddx is our operator, so if the operator ddx is multiplied by y, then p is also multiplied by y, q টা alone থাকবে always. Similarly এখানে operator ddy, if the operator is multiplied by x, so p is also multiplied by x. These two forms are the form of linear equation. এটা linear equation. But Bernoulli's equation এর form হচ্ছে dy dx plus py equal to q into y to the power n, or a y to the power n or any function of y, any function of y. Okay, and or dx dy plus px equal to q into x to the power n or x to the power n or any function of x. ঠিক আছে, that means মানে comparing with these two equations, linear with Bernoulli's equation, we can see that there is an extra term in Bernoulli's equation. Okay, because linear equation q was alone, there is no term multiplied by q, but in Bernoulli's equation there is an extra term y to the power n. N is any integer number or constant number. This may be y to the power n or any function of y. Okay, this may be x to the power n or any function of x. So since the operator is multiplied by x, p is multiplied by x, and q is also multiplied by function of x or any power of x to the power n. Similarly এখানে the operator is multiplied by y, p is also multiplied by y, and q is also multiplied by y to the power n. This is the main difference between linear and Bernoulli's equation. Now how to solve this Bernoulli's equation, because in my previous class I have discussed how to solve a linear equation, but when we use Bernoulli's equation, then how to solve that. Now the first thing we have to do, that we have to convert the Bernoulli's form into a linear form. Okay, Bernoulli's equation, for solving Bernoulli's equation we have to convert the Bernoulli's equation into a linear form, and then we know that how to solve a linear equation. In my previous class I have discussed how to solve a linear equation. So by this we can solve the linear equation, but firstly we have to change the Bernoulli's form into a linear form. Okay, now how to change this? For example, the form of Bernoulli's equation is dy dx plus py equal to q into y to the power n. Okay, so we can see that y to the power n is the extra term. So firstly, since we arrange this Bernoulli's equation into a linear form, so firstly we have to remove, or we have to divide this extra term. So we firstly divide y to the power n both sides. that is y by 1 by y to the power n dy dx plus p into y by y to the power n equal to q. Okay, that is y to the power minus n dy dx plus p into y to the power 1 minus y equal to q. Next term we have to do, this is also not a linear form, তো এখনো আমাদেরকে কিছু ক্যালকুলেশন করতে হবে। তো নেক্সট টার্ম আমাদের কি করতে হবে, the term which is multiplied by p, the term which is multiplied by p, we put that term into any other variable. Okay, we put that term into the form of any other variable. This is called substitution method. So after this we derivative both sides with respect to x, because here dy dx, so we derivative both side with respect to x, that is 1 minus n y to the power minus n dy dx equal to dz dx. After derivative we get this. So from here we can get the value of y to the power minus n dy dx, which is equal to 1 by 1 minus n dz dx. Okay, now we put this value in this equation, in this previous equation, 1 by 1 minus n dz dx. Now we put this value 1 by 1 minus n dz dx plus p into, we take this y to the power 1 minus n equal to z equal to q, that is dz dx plus 1 minus n into pz equal to q into 1 minus n. This is, we can see that this is the linear form, because 1 minus n is constant, so constant is constant multiply থাকতে পারে, there is no problem. তো আমাদের linear form কি ছিল, dy dx plus py equal to q. তো আমাদের এখানেই আছে dz dx, y এর জায়গায় dz আছে, dz dx plus p into z, p into y ছিল, এখন আমাদের since z আছে তো p into z constant থাকতে পারে, সেটা নিয়ে কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। এখানে কিউ ছিল, এখানে কিউ এর সাথে কনস্ট্যান্ট আছে, যদি এখানে অন্য একটা ভেরিয়েবল থাকতো তাহলে লিনিয়ার হতো না, বাট সিন্স কিউ ইজ মাল্টিপ্লাইড বাই কনস্ট্যান্ট তো কোনো অসুবিধা নেই। তো ইন দিস ওয়ে we can change the Bernoulli's equation into a linear form, and then we solve the equation by solving method of linear equation. Okay, তো আশা করি এভাবে তোমরা বার্নৌলিকে লিনিয়ারে ট্রান্সফর্ম করে অঙ্কটাকে সলভ করতে পারবে। তো thank you so much.